So you're saying extend?
I think making it get like a fiberglass, flat fiberglass, you know, that's kind of can bend
And then
bond it into there.
I
That
agree.
makes the most sense.
That would be really nice. Yeah, I agree. So
But-
then basically you're gonna
But I'm not gonna try to
trim out sheet metal, right? And then you're gonna have
Trim
that.
to trim, and then have this be the flat piece.
They say to cut out 3 inches in the rear and 1 inch in the front.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a really good
I think
idea.
I think it'd be the cleanest.
We can
Probably
lay
the
up-
easiest to seal too.
I'm gonna guess that this is epoxy, but it could be vinyl ester.
Well, but then
You
so
probably
the
vinyl
challenge, right? It's like I can't. I'll just if I just use the standard that bonding agent, that 3M, whatever that black stuff is.
But I have another one. I have
Yeah,
another
we can
one.
get that on order. My point is that
Yeah.
that way I don't have to worry about if this vinyl epoxy.
Yeah,
it'll
just bond
stick.
to it.
Yeah, exactly. It'll stick.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Then I
You
would
could
have
use
to-
that glass table that I have and
and make
lay
it
up.
flat. Just make it flat fiberglass, and then make that. Yeah.
Yeah, just mix the resin, put it on top of the
light.
weave, and
Yeah,
get
yeah.
a drop cloth squeegee. I have all that shit. Just squeegee it out, and you'll make yourself a nice flat sheet
and then
that
I
you
can
can.
just kind of
You can basically use shears and cut like 4-inch or 3-inch strips.
What do you
yeah,
think?
Just, yeah. I think
Nah,
that'll
put
be-
you to sleep.
She's like, "Ah, I'm tired of this shit.
She's like,
Get to cutting.
I think that'll be because then I can just use that black stuff. I can bond to both sides.
Yes, yeah. That's a good plan. Well, the glass is free, so
What do you think about the wide body on it?
I like it.
Yeah, I think it's the right move.
Yeah, it's honestly
So kind of the plan. So what I'll do is I'll make the. What we're gonna do is you have two options, right? We can either do steel or we'll just since this is already like a fiberglass anyway. We're gonna extend that. So I'll get. We've got a table and I can make a flat sheet of fiberglass. It'll be not really thick,
Pliable.
but it'll be pliable, so I can make the arch out of it. We'll bond it in. We've got the stuff that we use for bonding our other stuff. So it's really heavy, strong, heavy-duty stuff that's designed specifically to bond, fiberglass carbon fiber to.
So it's going to look like a wheel well.
Yes, it will.
It's going to be a
look
nice,
like a wheel well.
nice view.
I still have to kind of work through because it's got this lip here, right? So I still kind of have to work through how to make that look good on the inside because it's going to have a step, most likely, a little bit of a step. But yeah, that won't be terrible. So kind of
And we're gonna set the video up here in a second and start getting this thing lined up and set up in there. That should
More boost.
that should give it a little bit more boost. We should be good. All right, well, the video stopped at some point, but it's been a full fucking day. We gotta weld that guy and then get the bolt out, but we got this fitted, which is a big part of the work that needs to be done. Got a whole bunch of trimming and stuff to do in the back to put the turbo valance on the back again. So we'll have to work through that and figure out how we're gonna do it. Talk to some other folks that have gone before us and figure out what they did to mount that up there. But she is officially wide bodied. Now now that we've got the wide body on there and everything's set up, we got to get wheels on the car and then figure out exactly. I got to get that piece in, of course, but we got to figure out exactly how much we need to cut on the inside. So got some trim work to do.